What's up guys, this is Amit and today I'm unboxing my brand new laptop. It's the Dell XPS 159570. So there's the package itself. I ordered this 2 days ago and it showed up today. So I'd say that's a pretty quick delivery from Dell considering it's around Christmas time, and generally speaking products are pretty delayed at this time of the year. But before we get into the box, let's just look at the specs really quick. So as you can see there, I have gone with the 4K touch display, and I've also gone with the i7-8750 processor, 16 GB of RAM, 512 GB solid state drive, and also obviously it comes with the NVIDIA GeForce 1050 Ti graphics card. So let me get my scissors and we can get straight into this. So straight away there's the laptop itself. Let's leave that aside for a second, we'll come back to that. Let's see what else we get in the box. I'm just gonna chuck this one aside. I think that is the charger. So yeah, that's your charging cable there and the power adapter, and I can see it's still got the Dell's proprietary power socket instead of the USB Type-C charging, but it's a pretty thin power adapter compared to the older Dells I've had, so I'm not complaining. And let's just leave this one aside for now and look at the laptop itself. Comes nicely packaged. Well, that was a task. And apart from the laptop, which we will leave for a second, you get some documentation. This is a generic blurb, some warranty information, and a quick start guide, which nobody really ever reads, so let's just put that aside for now and look at the laptop again. It is nicely packaged, and I think Dell has learned a little bit in terms of the unboxing experience from Apple. Oh wow, that is a very good looking laptop, and it's very slim as well. I quite like the design already. In terms of ports, it's got the power socket there with the USB 3.0 and a full-size HDMI port, followed by the USB Type-C and a 3.5mm headphone jack. And then on the other side you get a full-size SD card reader along with another USB 3.0, and there's also your battery indicator. And I don't think this laptop is charged straight out of the box, so I might need to plug it in before we can actually switch it on. But that's a quick look at the interior of the laptop, and I am already loving the feel of this carbon fiber material on the interior of the laptop. And generally I don't use the trackpads much on a laptop anyway, but this is a very good sized trackpad for somebody who does use it. And if I'm not mistaken, this laptop, the XPS 9570, has a fingerprint reader built into the power button. But let me just plug it in quickly and we'll take it forward from there. Right, so there it is. It took a while to install Windows and everything, just do all the settings and whatnot, but it's finally up. And the first thing I've noticed straight away is how vibrant and sharp this 4K screen is. Absolutely loving it already. I've barely used it for about 40 seconds now, but I can already tell the difference compared to every other laptop or even monitors I've seen before. Also loving the thin bezels, which Dell likes to call the Infinity Edge, And I mean, yes, it comes with a compromise that you have the webcam position down there as opposed to up here, but to be honest, personally I have never used my webcam on a laptop ever before, like literally ever before. So, and I don't think I will use it going forward. So for me that's not a problem at all. But you know, if you're a person that uses their webcam quite often, then that's something to keep in mind. And yeah, that wraps up the quick unboxing video of my Dell XPS 159570. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching, guys.